Sa isang tingin, where is she from?
China. Korea.
How did you know that I'm Korean?
Halata na po agad. Isang tingin. You look so beautiful. Ang sumulat na awitin para sa'yo.
Hey guys, I just arrived Philippines. Sylvia Kim is back 2024. So today I'm gonna be interviewing people in the street. Whenever I came to the Philippines, they asked me like, are you Korean? Are you Filipina? Sometimes they just come to me and say, 안녕하세요, 안녕. Like, you know, when they just pass by me, how did they know that I'm from Korea? Just by looking at me, the fashion, the makeup, or anything. I just dressed up like very, very Korean. This is like a very typical Korean look, honestly. I'm gonna be very silent. Nico, my friend here, he'll be talking instead of me.
Hello! Hello po. Ako nga pala si Nico Evangelista, also known as Nico Golf. So I'm a professional golfer in the Philippines. Today, sasamahan ko si Sylvia to ask people around kung tingin nila kung taga-saan ba siya. So, paano namin gagawin to is Sylvia will be silent and I'll be the one interviewing people, letting them guess kung taga-saan nga ba Sylvia. So,
kasi yung accent ko, tama?
yeah, kasi if Sylvia is the one who talk, malalaman nila yung kung saan siya dahil sa accent niya. So, ako nagagawa. Magtatagalog tayo for today's video.
I really wonder if they can get it right, honestly. For now, I guess like half-half. Because of my outfit, maybe. But like because of this, maybe Japanese. I don't know.
So, I think from another planet. Mayroon na tayo nakitang mga grupo. Hello po!
Hi po.
Sorry, naabala ba namin kayo? Pwede ba namin kayo may sorbo kahit sandali lang? Ano lang to? Fast talk. De joke lang. No. Fast talk to fast talk. De, here with my friend. And may tanong lang kami. Gusto naming malaman sa base na nakikita nyo sa kanya. Tingin nyo, taga saan siya? Bakit nyo nasabing Korea? Bakit?
Sa ano po? Sa itsura. Tsaka sa kutis po.
Oh, it's the way you look in this skin.
Oh.
And she said she saw you somewhere.
Oh.
YouTube po.
Hey! YouTube! Wow.
Dapat Sylvia? I'm so happy!
Because I really wonder how they get it right. Because when I'm walking, people are like, 안녕! I'm like, how did you know that I'm Korean? Oh, wow.
So now you know.
Sobrang easy for them.
May do you think someone will get it wrong?
Yeah, it's very easy for them.
Pero sa inyo kayo lahat tingin talaga Koreano.
Yes! Halata na po agad. Isang tingin! You look so beautiful!
You were singing here. What were you singing? Oh, okay. Sample.
Sample.
Oh my
Ready?
God!
Ready?
Oh my God! Hala, di ko kaya. Wait lang. Okay.
Ready?
I'm not ready for this. Wait lang. One, two, three. Hindi mo ang sumulat na awitin para sa'yo. Para kung isang sirang ulo, lino at niklong. Sa aking pangmina ng piano, tikla pilit nilaro. Baka sakaling merong tono, bigla na lang umusbong. Tungkol saan naman kaya awitin para sa'yo? Di biro ang gawing sukat, ang titik sa tono.
Wow.
Sa man aking diksyonaryo, kung matugmay di wasto. Basta isip hindi magbabago, damdamin Mapapanaginip ka kahit saan mapunta. Araw, gabi, nalalasing sa tuwa. Kapag kapiling ka, araw-gabi tayong dalawa.
Ang galing! Wow! So cute.
Galing. Ganun din ako kumanta dati eh. Anong alam mong Tagalog?
Tagalog? But do you know Korean songs? K-pop? K-pop? K-pop is not for singing, it's dancing.
O paano? Let's go.
Oh, that was so beautiful. Thank you.
Thank you.
Check it out on YouTube. Sylvia Kim. 사랑해.
Thank you.
Thank you!
Thank you.
Salamat.
We love you so much!
Sige.
Okay.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Can I have the picture too?
Yes! Send ko na lang po sa IG. Uy!
Alright.
Tao ba to?
Tapos na.
So we are in Manila, currently in UP Manila by Robinsons. So we're gonna ask that guy na. Hello mga ate.
Hi!
Okay lang bang istorbohin kayo sandali?
Sure!
For a vlog lang. Mayroon kaming, I have a question lang.
Okay.
Sa isang tingin, what do you think? Where is she from?
Probably in Asia, probably Korea, Japan. Korea maybe.
Korea?
Yes.
Final answer, why?
Just her features and her complexion. She's really pretty, by the way.
Thank you po.
So yeah, so Korea final answer. And you got it!
Wow, how did you get it? Yeah, Korea.
Oh, I'm not sure. Gut
But
feeling.
they said it's because of her complexion. So your skin tone and everything.
Skin?
One of it, no?
Probably, yeah.
Fashion? Makeup? What's the most distinctive feature that you thought?
Probably your eyes.
Oh, okay. Because whenever I walk by, people are like, "Annyeong!" So I just really wonder how they got it.
I see.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. Thank you for your time. Say hi.
Hi! Do you go to school here?
Yes.
UP Manila.
Yes. Do you go to school?
Anong course?
Computer science.
Matadali na yan, no?
Thank you!
Thank you very much. Thank you.
That's
Ako guys,
interesting.
what do you think? Where am I from?
Like
Comment down below.
Japan?
Sino ang susunod nating kakausapin? Kuya, mga boss. Okay lang ba may istorbo namin kayo sandali? Okay lang po ba? May tanong lang ako. Sa nakikita nyo sa kanya, tingin nyo, taga saan siya? Anong bansa?
Korea.
Korea. Ikaw boss, tingin mo saan? Bakit?
Mukha siyang Korean.
Oy, bakit siya mukhang Korean? Anong nagpapa...
Buhok, ulis, mata.
Oh, it's your... Everything, your eyes, your hair.
Half Korean.
Galing. Maraming salamat boss ha. Thank you po.
You can search Sylvia Kim.
Sa YouTube, nasa Sylvia Kim.
Sylvia Kim.
Oh, nasa YouTube yan boss.
Sylvia Kim.
Sylvia Kim.
Like it's not even showing.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Sino
That's
next?
so easy. Sobrang dali. Para sa kanya. Nila.
Totoo.
Para sa kanya nila.
Para sa kanila.
Para sa kanila.
Yeah.
Para sa kanila. Sobrang
Daling hulaan, no? Like, I think we're still 100% that people are, think that they're Korean. I wanna see someone saying that
off
like
the
you're
answer.
from, you're from...
Africa.
No, for like, Pluto or... Hello po! Pwede bang sinong pwedeng maistorbo po? Hindi pwede, okay po. What about these guys?
Ready?
Yeah.
This is on na? Mga sir. Excuse me, sir. They're busy. Tara. Mabilis lang. May tatanong lang ako mabilis. Tungkol sa kanya. Tingin niyo taga saan siya?
Taga, Korea.
Ikaw?
Korea din.
China po.
China. Bakit China?
Mukha po Chinese.
Ha?
Mukha lang po.
Ikaw, bakit Korea?
Ano po? Dahil po sa mata niya.
Ano?
Sa eyes po.
Oh, so her eye.
At saka sa skin niya po.
Oh, so your skin. The correct answer is, she's from...
Korea! You're the first person who said China.
Oh, ikaw lang.
Oh, ikaw lang.
Maraming salamat. Thank you for your time. Panoodin niyo sa vlog niya.
Ano po?
Sylvia Kim.
Sylvia Kim. Pwede niyo search TikTok, YouTube. Sylvia Kim. Maraming salamat.
Thank you.
Thank you. Oy!
Oh, first China.
So you're Chinese. Uy, musta? Okay ka lang? May tanong ako sa'yo, napakadali lang. Kung titignan mo siya, yan, titignan mo siya. Tingin mo taga saan siya? Anong bansa?
China?
China, bakit?
Parang magkamukha po sila eh.
Sino kamukha niya sa China?
Babae.
Okay. So, ang tamang sagot ay...
Korea.
Korea na siya. Maraming salamat ha.
Salamat po.
Ano pangalan mo? What's your name? Pangalan mo?
JN.
JN?
Opo.
Thank you, maraming salamat.
Okay, to China.
To China.
To China.
To...
Let's go. It can all be
So, it's windy in Manila, hindi ka ba?
pills to make the man, but that poison's gonna chew you.
How was that experience? Huh?
Also hectic. I'm so scared.
Nobody take me.
May tatanong lang ako, napakadaling tanong lang. Looking at her, taga saan siya? Anong bansa?
Korea.
Korea, bakit?
Siguro sa looks.
Saan? Sa looks?
Sa looks.
Anong meron sa looks ng Korea?
Mukha lang siyang taga Korea.
And the China?
Hindi ka China. Parang Korea kasi.
Korea. What's the right answer?
Oh,
Korea.
you got it right. Oh,
Thank you. Thank
you're
you.
so farm. Wow.
Thank you.
You can find it in Sylvia Kim. Bye.
Okay.
Oh, that's so easy for people.
I know.
Is it my eyes? Really?
I think it's your, it's this part of your hair. Very good, very
But
good.
I think students are really best, right?
Yeah.
Because they're so
But
lively.
then the people who were buying earlier, the guys, they found out they're Korean also. Remember our third person we asked.
Ah, yeah. And we can go on to the mall now.
Pwede.
So for now, we asked many group of people, but like people are too shy in the street. So I might just go inside of the SM mall and then ask more questions.
Excuse me po. Okay lang bang maistorbo kayo sandali? Sobrang bilis lang, may tanong lang po kami. Based sa nakikita nyo sa kanya, taga saang bansa siya? Korea. Bakit?
Sa mata niya sa skin.
Mata and the skin. Ang tamang sagot ay...
Korea.
Maraming salamat po.
What about skin? Like, because
Anong meron sa skin nila na parang...
China.
shine
Glass skin. I see.
Glass skin.
It's glassy. Shiny.
Glass skin.
Yes po, maraming salamat po sa oras. Thank you po. Panoodin nyo nasa i-vlog namin kung okay lang po sa Sylvia Kim sa YouTube. Thank you po. Thank you. So, you can break easily. You're glass.
Honestly, I'm not glass skin. Also, this is not really white in Korea.
So what's that in Korea?
This is just
Normal?
very ordinary. I'm not even white. Like, I'm not even in the level of white, like skin.
I see.
That's interesting.
But
Glass-
almost everyone thought you're from Korea because of your skin. Yeah, because of your complexion.
Tapos mga
Your eyes. Hello po. Pwede po ba namin kayong tanongin sandali lang? Konti lang.
Ano po?
Tingin niyo po, taga saang bansa siya?
Sa Asia?
Kayo po, ano pong tingin niyo?
China.
China. Kayo po, mami. Korea. Kayo po.
Korea.
Korea also. Bakit? Bakit po? Bakit? Bakit China muna? Bakit China?
Dahil sa mata niya singkit.
Oh. Kayo po, bakit Korea?
Singkit kasi mata niya. Saka na rin Koreano.
Sa mahilig po saan? Sa bangs, I see. So, this...
ano sir,
Mata.
sa eyes.
So,
Beautiful eyes.
basically, they're saying it's because of the bangs in your eyes.
Oh yeah, I'm from Korea.
May idol.
Galing, galing.
Galing. Mga nasa Korea is mahilig talaga sila sa bangs. Saka yung mata naman. Hindi, ang mata na parang Pilipina eh. Hindi, ang binabasihan. Beautiful.
Salamat po.
Bangs niya.
The bangs especially.
Yes.
Okay,
And
okay.
then yung style yung my hair.
Hair.
The
This-
style in your hair.
The hair. The white hair too? Yes?
Wala.
Oh.
Not white here, this is the white hair.
Taga ano kayo, ma'am? Korea din kayo.
K-pop din.
K-pop.
Thank you po.
Salamat
Thank you.
po.
Thank you po. Maraming
Thank you
salamat
po.
sa oras.
Oh, that's so cute. But China, she changed her mind so quickly. Because of your bangs, I thought you were Korean.
Even the grandma was like, I have white hair also.
Not white here, this is the white hair.
That's so cute.
Looks like it's easier to ask people in the mall.
Yeah,
than
yeah, yeah.
outside.
Yeah, that's true.
But I guess because when you're outside, everyone's busy.
They have to walk and
The
like
mall,
the traffic.
people are here too.
Oh, true, true. Tama, tama.
So I think if you were to ask me, you're from somewhere in Australia.
Ako?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because, I don't know, I just feel like...
Also, when people recognize me that I'm Korean, I thought it was because of my fashion or makeup. But they rarely mention makeup or fashion. They talk about my eyes and my skin.
Yeah.
That's actually really surprising because I never thought of that.
You have a glass skin.
Glass skin. So basically, I'm Chinese or Korean?
Korean. Well, majority is Korea, then some are...
Korea. Korean.
Korea.
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 Okay. Makes sense, makes sense. Also, it's kind of surprising that they didn't mention makeup because this
Well,
is
the other girls said.
The
because of
students.
No, the last one, the family. Because of your glitters in your under your eyes.
other than the bangs
Yeah.
too. Okay, see. Actually, I was supposed to be in SM Mall, but it's not SM. It's what is that?
We're in Robinsons.
Robinsons.
Hello po, pwede ba namin kayong magulo sandali lang? Mabilis lang. Tatanong lang namin kung taga saan siya. O, di ba? Napakadali. Ano, tingin nyo, taga saan siya?
South Korea.
South Korea ikaw.
Yeah, same.
Bakit? Why?
From her facial features ko, her eyes and the skin shows characteristic of South Korean woman po.
Wow! Is that the right answer?
Yes.
Yes, again, because of your eyes, your skin again.
Okay.
I'm shy.
Oh, you're not. You actually put some Korean style makeup, right?
Yeah.
Right? I can tell. Korean style K-pop
I'm
makeup.
still learning.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You try
What do you know in Korea? Sample.
I've K-pop. Yeah. 장원영.
I know some Korean idols from IVE, but I don't stand that much. But I know them.
Okay, I love your makeup.
Thank you.
Okay. They're just shy.
Yeah.
Okay, I think I got the answer now.
Want one more?
Yeah, just the last one, maybe. I want a Korean person actually. By
Then,
now.
next one you ask what I'm from. I want them to find me. I want them to know if they know if I'm Filipino or not in the Philippines. But I'll be like, hello. Sawadee kap.
Okay, just for fun, we're gonna switch the role. He's gonna act like a international person who's not from the Philippines, and I'll be asking, where is he from?
Sawadee kap.
Okay. Wow, Ben and Ben everywhere. Hello, po. Can I ask you a question? Where do you think I'm from?
Korea.
Korea?
Yeah, Korea.
Oh, Korea? Both of you Korean? Yeah. Oh, that was so easy.
Why?
I don't know. Just because of your facial features.
Oh, really?
And your makeup.
Like, eye makeup?
Yeah.
And anything else?
I don't know. You're just really pretty.
Ah, thank you. Where do you think he's from?
I want to say Filipino, but
Are you maybe Indonesian?
Bakit naman? Di ba mo ang Pilipino?
Mukha naman. Pero magkakalain.
Oo nga, tama. Thank you. Thank you. Maraming salamat. Panoodin nyo sa kay Sylvia Kim YouTube account.
Sylvia Kim.
Thank you Thank you.
Wait, you're from where?
Indonesia. Well, actually, if you guys think about it, Indonesia, Thailand, Malaysian, Filipinos, they're kind of similar, yeah.
Okay guys, so I finished the interview. People are very shy compared to, like, students are pretty open-minded, but like the other people who are passing in the street, they're pretty shy, so it was kind of hard to ask. It was very fun to interview people, and people find my features, especially my eyes and my glass, my bangs also. I used to not have bangs, but I just made it last year. So anyways, and especially I dressed up very like formal and not extraordinary, so the people might not judge, you know. It was an amazing time, and thank you for the support, Nikoshi. And yeah, it was Robinsons. It was my mistake to say SM. Robinsons, and it was a great, amazing experience for interviewing people here. Please comment down below if you have any more content ideas. If you want me to go ask different questions in the street, please let me know. And see you guys next time. Bye! I'm not Chinese.
Let's go. It could all be worse. I could be a hater like you.